In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Zendesk tickets. Merging tickets in Zendesk can be a real time saver, especially when you're dealing with multiple reports of the same issue or follow-up emails that got created as separate tickets. It helps in keeping your support system tidy and ensures that all related information stays together. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zendesk account. Begin by navigating to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll see a Sign In option. Click on that, and you might need to click on Sign In again, depending on your landing page. Enter your email address and password. After you've filled in your credentials, either hit the Enter key or click the Sign In button to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in and can see your dashboard, it's time to locate the ticket you want to merge with another. Navigate to your list of tickets and click on the one that you wish to merge. This will bring up the detailed view of that ticket. Next, look for the three dots or the options icon. This usually appears somewhere around the ticket details, often at the top. Clicking on this will bring up a menu of actions you can take on this ticket. In the menu that appears, you'll find an option labeled Merge into another ticket. Click on this option. This is where Zendesk makes it really easy for you to select the ticket you want to merge with. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter the number of the ticket you intend to merge it with. After entering the ticket number, the next step is to click on Merge. This doesn't immediately merge the tickets, but takes you to a confirmation screen. Zendesk wants to ensure you're sure about merging these tickets, as this action cannot be undone. On the confirmation screen, you will be presented with an overview of the tickets you're about to merge. Take a moment to review the details. If everything looks good, click on Continue Merge. This action moves you to the final confirmation step. Finally, you will click on Confirm and Merge. This is the last step of the process, and by confirming, you effectively merge the two tickets into one. And that's it. You've successfully merged two Zendesk tickets. Remember, merging tickets is permanent, and it's always a good idea to double check the ticket numbers and the content before finalizing the merge to ensure that all relevant information is kept intact and nothing important is lost in the process. This workflow not only helps in maintaining the organization of your support tickets, but also ensures that communication with your users is streamlined and efficient. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Merging Zendesk tickets is a straightforward process once you know where all the options are, and it can significantly help keep your support system clean and organized.